Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? Start by drawing a circle on the paper. There's the kitten's head. Where should we put his nose? Draw an oval and put 2 lines in the shape of a V. Excellent! He needs some ears. Draw one on each side. What's left? The eyes. Draw 2 lines for the eyes. And don't forget the tongue. Let's finish up with the whiskers. Draw 3 thin lines on each side of the nose. Done! What a great drawing!